Hi, in this video we'll take a look at the use of trailing stop and trailing limit orders in Jigsaw daytradr. Now to set an order as a trailing order, you simply click the trail button here. If it's highlighted in yellow, the next order will be a trailing order, and if not, the next order will just be a regular order. So all orders except market orders can be trailed, and let's look first at a trailing limit order. Now you might use this type of order to sweep you into position on a volatile market. So let's say you think that the market's swinging back and forwards 10 ticks. You can put in a 10 tick trailing limit like this to let the market sweep you in on the next move back. And we'll just wait for that order to sweep us in so we can let it fill. Okay, so there we are, market swept back and we got filled. And then we have a trailing stop, and that's what people are more used to seeing, and that's normally used to follow a position to lock in profit. So let's put a 10 tick trailing stop order there. And again, that will just follow the market down until we get an exit. And as we can see, we're just following price down, trailing behind it, and eventually we'll get stopped out. Okay, there's the stop. And there's not much more to it than that. You simply switch on the trailing button and let it trail. Now note that some trailing orders are actually sent to your brokerage and handled server side. There is a page in the manual explaining how it works for each feed. Obviously, if it's not handled server side, then it's the daytradr platform doing the trailing. And that's it for the trailing limits and stops. Thanks for watching.